So here we're going to graph the compound inequalities with the phrase or. So one thing or the other. So if my kids want to play video games or watch TV, either one of those separately will make them happy. If I tell them to do something else, that's not going to fit into their category. So these or inequalities, we're finding the union. So we're looking at them separately, but we're writing the solution together. So we're going to graph these separately. Again, just like I did for the other video, the one on the left is going to be in red, the one on the right is going to be in orange. X is less than or equal to negative 2. So less than or equal to, close circle, less than goes left. X is greater than or equal to positive 2. Greater than or equal to, close circle, to the right. That is your solution. That's it. This is what we call the union. So these are written together. So even though you're looking at them separately, you're not looking at intersections where they overlap. They're all combined together in one solution. So to write this as an interval, what you're really doing is you're writing two different intervals. So what we're writing is the interval on the left from negative infinity to negative 2, and that's going to get a bracket. And now we have a separate one that we also have to include. Bracket positive 2, and that's going to the right towards positive infinity. This U symbol is what we use to show that there are two separate graphs being combined together in one solution. So that's how you do this one. So we're going to do 4 of them. This is the first one, so you get more practice. So the second one, x is less than 7. So open circle, we're going left. X is less than 9. Open circle, we're going left. So again, our key here is we're looking at both of them, so either one will work. We're looking at them separate, but we're writing them together. So we want red or orange. This section right here is both red and orange, that works. This is orange, that works. So technically it's everywhere where there is red, orange, or both. So it's from these arrows all the way to that first orange space. Everything to the right has nothing there. So our inequality, well, our interval is going to go from negative infinity to positive 9. That would be our solution. We don't have to break it up at the 7 because the orange is included in all of that other space. So this is where things get a little tricky, so take your time, rewatch the videos if you need to, but this is how you do the union here. All right, x is less than or equal to negative 10. Close circle to the left. X is greater than or equal to positive 2. Close circle to the right. Okay, red, check. Orange, check. Both, no. So again, two separate answers that we're going to combine together. So our interval is going to go from negative infinity to negative 10. 10 gets a bracket. Then we have positive 2 with a bracket to positive infinity. And we're going to put that U symbol to show that this is a union, and both of these together will satisfy our requirement for one or the other. Last one. X is greater than 0, so it's open circle to the right. X is less than 4, so open circle to the left. So here we go. This looks different, right? So orange is to the left of 0. Red is to the right of 4, and they're both here in the middle. So this has all solutions. There is nowhere on this number line where there is not red or orange. Everything has a spot. There's orange here where that circle, the open circle is. There's red here where that open circle is. And everything else has one part of those. So that's every type of compound inequality you will see with the word or. So you're finding unions of those.